Composure. Do you want me to call? Okay. I was going to say we could call May or two in Benton. Is that on here?
No, it's not on that.
There should be one in here for exposure. There it is.
Hey there, Clay Ashley over at KSLA. Just wanted to see, you guys got any reports of any damage or anything going on out there right now? Okay. I've got an unofficial report here of some damage out on Brownlee Road in Lakewood subdivision. Yes, sir. So I just wanted to call and see if y'all heard anything about it. No, it doesn't say damn. Well, of course, everybody's reaction is a tornado, of course. But no extent of what's the damage may be. Just some damage. So yeah. So maybe I'll call and check back in with y'all in a few minutes, just in case y'all hear anything. But just wanted to check. Thanks so much. Bye bye. Check out there.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at these two funnel clouds.
Oh
Toledo
yeah.
Bend.
What is that? Oh, that's Toledo Bend.
Mm-hmm. Mosquitoes have a severe thunderstorms. Now it's on the other side.
Okay, so this would be our first. So if you can get radar picture up.
Oh yes. Want to start wide?
No, just zoom in on the one storm that has a building. That's all I'm talking about. One in Webster.
It's actually crossing into
Claiborne
Parish now. Oh yeah, there's nothing to that storm. There is nothing left of that storm.
Hail at expire?
Hail covering
10%
of the road. Man, that's specific.
Covered 10%.
How do you
Mostly 0.88 to 1 inches.
No, it is live. It is live, but he should have a list of how many breaks are on. You should be able to keep track of that. Stand by.
Okay, that's fine.
what is that?
It's about golf ball size hail, right? DeBerry, Texas. Golf ball size.
It's a little larger.
Right.
Stand by.
What was that? Didn't answer.
Yeah, when you get the answering machine for the police department, that's pretty bad.
What was this for Benton?
Yeah.
Let me look on Twitter, see if anyone's posting anything.
It's big hail, lots of big hail.
baseball size hail. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's damage from hail that people are.
Is that from that Benton storm?
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely could be.
Well, no, not the one that was posted in the Bay.
Oh, that was from Wascom.
Let's see.
Hail range from golf ball to baseball size hail. Town there.
I know. This has been going on forever.
This is a serious scary, so that should be the end of it. Do it from it.
Who's here? Kelly? Can Kelly put the banner up for the blog? Do we want to get the link up?
Where's the, do you see the?
Where
Where's
Brad?
the utility block?
Good evening, everyone. KSLA Stormtracker 12 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle. Still monitoring this storm in Webster Parish. Tornado warning remains in effect for another few minutes until 7:45. Storm, though, has weakened considerably, and these storms, although they're producing large hail, not showing any immediate signs of being an extreme danger to life or property. We are monitoring it, though. We'll break back in if necessary. In the meantime, though, head to KSLA.com. We've got our live severe weather blog ongoing there, and also head on over to the Stormtracker 12 Facebook and Twitter pages for updates. Again, we'll break back in as necessary with these severe storms continue to track through the Arctic.
I'm just gonna click it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna try it. That should be it.
Yeah, I have no idea. If it doesn't say banner on it, then
I think BF is banner. I'll just call Kelly. Ask her to put it
Oh,
up.
I talked to her. She's supposed to be.
Oh, she's gonna put it up?
She doesn't know how to do it.
Okay. I think that was it. May just take a second to load up. Or else I just threw something up that.
let's see. Benton Fire.
Yeah, it's up now.
Benton Fire Department. Big old hail. Oh, that's one.
Well, let's put up this little thing again.
Hey there, Clay Oxley over at KSLA News 12. How you doing today? Good, man. I'm doing all right. Listen, I don't know if I've got the right district or not, but I've got a report of some damage from a possible storm along Brownlee Road up there in Benton. I was calling to see if you guys have heard anything about it. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, I certainly appreciate it. That probably puts the nail in that one then. Nothing's happening. Okay. Okay, good stuff. Yeah, we're getting people are calling and talking about damage out there, so that's why we were just wanting to call and touch base. Okay. That's fine. All right then. Well, thank you so much. All right.
That's it. Look at baseball size hail in Benton. There it is.
Oof. Where's that at?
Benton. It's Jeff Moody. He always checks in with the.
That's good stuff. Oh man, I'd love to be chasing today.
I canceled the tornado warning off the bat.
Oh,
Since the storm is no longer even in Webster.
right.
There they go.
That's probably
They
it right
just-
there. Yeah, cancel. Good stuff.
They're waiting for you, Jeff.
Let's put out tornado warnings for an hour. And then let's not cancel.
All right. Well,
I'm pretty sure that's about all she wrote, guys.
Yeah.
I mean, these storms look a little nasty down there, but
They'll be out. And
I mean, we should be seeing west winds coming through here now,
right. And just FYI, we're no longer covering stuff in the east.
oh, we're not.
Once it gets to Jackson, Lincoln Parish, Wynn Parish,
huh? Oh,
we don't need to.
Are we gonna take them out of our?
No, I mean, I'll leave them in the call.
Okay.
But just in the future.
Okay.
Because technically those parishes are not
They're Monroe.
our defense.
yeah, we're not quite seeing west winds yet, but we're not far behind.
Oh.
All right, can I go pop some ibuprofen real quick? All
Are
right,
you okay?
just got a headache. I brought my toy in if I was gonna play with it, but I never got a chance. Oh wait, what is it?
The storm report. Baseball side sale.
Right, that's all these doing.
And that's Green County.
That's all they're doing. They're producing large hail.
Mm.
They're hailing super. Very cool, thank you.
Yeah. I mean, I just wanted to help out, and I figured Clay was busy with cut-ins and stuff, so I thought I could help with social media.
Should have just come in earlier.
What time did you come in?
I left as soon as the warning came out for Shelby County.
Okay.
So I got here 5 after 6.
Yeah. Yeah, the rotation wasn't even that. They wasn't tight or anything with the Shelby County.
And I was surprised because I was, watching monitoring stuff.
Yeah.
It looked like right before the warning came out, the rotation that had been there looked like a good weekend.
Mm-hmm.
And then all of a sudden. But I think it's because they got a spotter report
Yeah.
on the wall.
Mm-hmm.
Can't.
Yeah.
I mean, who am I to tell them? Now, if the spotter reports, hey, there's a tornado on the ground,
Right.
and maybe that doesn't match with velocity, but they say there's a tornado,
Yeah.
then yeah, but don't the
Yeah.
spotter reports a funnel or
Mm-hmm.
a wall cloud. I mean, who knows if they're a good spotter or not?
Right.
They're just looking at scud. They don't know the difference. If that's all you're getting, man, it doesn't look impressive. Right?
Yeah.
I have no why you would do that.
Yeah.
Because all it does is makes our life miserable.
Yeah. I wonder who does weekends for them. Who's in? If they have everyone come in, or they're just. I'm sure maybe today they did because SPC's been pushing this.
Yeah.
There's the cold front.
Where's this at?
I would assume it's right here. Or is it coming in this way?
Yeah.
This time's swamp too, but it could be rain cold. No? Yeah, it's coming up from up there. That's it.
Right, and that one. Now we're starting to stabilize too.
Yeah.
Not as unstable.
Oh gosh. Nope. goodness. I don't think I ever want to see baseball size. I would, but I wouldn't want I wouldn't want to be in a garage.
Right. As I was driving here, I was thinking, so please don't let it hail.
Yeah. Oh, I answered this before. We have 0 viewers in here,
I don't know.
but we got a question.
I guess I'm just going to complain about it tonight. I don't like the dog.
Yeah.
It's too complicated.
Yeah.
So that's a new warning for Sabine and Eckridge here.
Yeah, until 8 o'clock. I think it's just being extended because they already did have one.
No, this is,
It's like extending the area that's covered with it.
well, that was the storm that prompted the
Oh, it's
tornado
in?
warning.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay.
But no, it's a new severe thunderstorm.
Okay. Yeah, because it's in the northern. Alrighty. Post it. Let's see here. Oh, we have people in the blog now.
What?
We have people in the blog now. Yep.
Hello, people.
Alrighty. If you have any questions, Mara asked, why is there still a tornado watch for the area if no more rain is located on the radar since all of this has passed? I'm on the Blanchard-Shreveport line. Mara, usually they put out a watch or a tornado watch for the entire area, and then they'll usually cut it back as they go. Right now, when the cold front passes, then that's when we're in the clear. We still have a little bit for that cold front to move through.
But I'd say for there in the Blanchard area, probably your threat for severe weather is likely over with. So I won't be too concerned about seeing anything else severe tracking on through. And it's up to the National Weather Service to kind of cancel out counties and parishes in those watches. And on a day like today where they're tracking active storms, that's sometimes one of the last things that gets done, but they drop areas from the watch. So that's why they're technically still under tornado watch, but your threat there for severe weather, I think, has come and gone.
How's it looking for Cotton Valley? Cotton Valley, you should be clearing out.
Yeah, Cotton Valley, that tornado warning storm passed south of you a little bit earlier. That storm has really kind of fallen apart as it moved into Claiborne Parish. So Cotton Valley, there's still a few little showers up to the north into southwest Arkansas. So I wouldn't say you're totally done with rainfall, but you're likely done with any threat for severe weather that bypassed you to the south, or at least the tornado potential part of that storm did. Let's see. The blog isn't working. Do you know anything about Campty? I think the blog should be up and working now since we're getting some people asking questions. Campty, you're still under the threat for perhaps some severe weather.
Yeah.
There is one one severe warned thunderstorm, northern Sabine Parish heading into Natchitoches Parish. Probably will pass just a little south of you there in Campty. But until that one goes by, I wouldn't rule out the potential for perhaps some strong to severe storms. Really, it is starting to quiet down for many parts of the Arklatex. In fact, Well, That's Cool is asking, so are we done? Not for everyone, but I would say Shreveport Bossier, we're done. Texarkana, done. Where we're still going to be dealing with some stronger thunderstorms through maybe the next hour to hour and a half. Natchitoches Parish, Sabine Parish, perhaps Bienville Parish, and then back into Texas, Sabine and San Augustine counties. And that's really about all here in the Arklatex that's left over as far as severe weather threat goes, as the stronger storms are beginning to push out. What does the fox say? Yeah, I'm not even going to attempt that. So. And really the potential for these storms all along, even though that we did go from the severe thunderstorm watch over tornado watch, all along the main impact of these storms was expected to be large hail. And we've gotten some pictures of some large hail. People have been posting on our Facebook page, the hail almost baseball sized out of some of these storms as they've tracked through. And tornado threat, was fairly low to begin with. But these rotating storms produce large hail, and when they rotate, kind of have to keep an eye on them just in case they start to spin up close to the ground. But we've not gotten any indication that we've had any sort of tornado spin-ups. Question about the storms coming out of Oklahoma and Texas. If those are going to form into perhaps another squall line to come on through. As I mentioned, there may still be a little bit of rain for some of you, but I really expect the threat for severe weather is what has already kind of come and gone. We still have a cold front to come on through, so won't rule out some showers or storms along that. But a couple of things are happening right now. It looks like the energy in the atmosphere favorable for creating the larger thunderstorms. That's what's come through with the little line of storms that we've already had. So that's kind of moving on out. At the same time, we've got sun setting, atmosphere starting to cool off a little bit, and that's going to help to stabilize things. So even though the front as it comes through may still generate some showers and storms, I think our greatest risk for severe weather is what has already been moving through the Arklatex and is about ready to move out in the areas where we continue with some stronger storms.
Lisa Carmichael asks, is the wind and hail the most risk? Yeah, that's the highest risk. That's what we're seeing, even baseball size hail.
Right. I think even hail, even more so than damaging wind, because have you seen any reports of any damaging wind?
No reports of that.
It's all the reports we've been reported to us either by Facebook or by the National Weather Service has all been very large hail. I've not seen any wind reports. Even though we've had a couple tornado warnings, there have been no reports of any damage or any tornado touchdowns. It's just been hail.
Stormtracker 12, this is Nicole. Yes, where are you located in Natchitoches? Right now it's North Natchitoches that's under that severe thunderstorm warning. We're not seeing any development yet. Oh wait, actually, let's see. Where are you in South Natchitoches? I'm sorry? Sir, I'm sorry, where? Hello? Hello? Oops. Lost cell service. Stormtracker 12, this is Nicole. Yeah. Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, where are you located in South Natchitoches? Fairgrounds. Well, you are under a severe thunderstorm warning, and that's in effect until 8 o'clock tonight, I believe. Let me check on that. You have the heaviest moving through right now. Reports of some hail. Winds don't seem to be as large of a factor. But yeah, we are looking at hail. You're right. It's right going over you right now. So I would say hang tight. Yes, that's a good thing. Severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 8 o'clock. So you have another 20 minutes or so. Yeah, you can use your computer. No, do you have it plugged into the wall? Oh no, then you're fine. You can definitely use your computer. We have the severe weather blog up and running too if you want to get in there and chat with us if you have any questions or anything. Alrighty, but yeah, definitely take your computer. You're good. You're good having your computer with you. Of course. Alrighty. Bye-bye. You too. Bye-bye.
Dude, Kelly's got some great pictures of those storms out there.
This one?
Oh, that's pretty good. Jeez, dude. These were like legit. I'm so sad that I couldn't go outside and see that.
Yeah, hopefully we'll get some more pictures. I mean, it's pretty. Definitely rotating. Definitely has wall cloud. But I don't think we had the low level environment.
Hey, that was cool. No, I haven't heard anything out of there. We really haven't gotten a lot of damage reports. Unless it was hail. Oof. Grant Parish, Montgomery. Baseball size 2 3/4 inch hail.
Oh, you guys.
Ooh. That's wow. That's Orange Bed. That's the one. Is that the one for Natchitoches Parish? Northwest Natchitoches?
No, that's just south.
Yeah, it's just like that.
Just south.
Oh yeah. We had a guy. That was one of the phone calls I took. It was a guy south of Manny who was reporting funnel clouds out of this storm.
Out of that.
Interesting placement. Dude, that might be.
Oh, look at this picture. How pretty.
Oh man, I know.
Toledo Bend.
Toledo Bend.
Vic said she took a time lapse of one of the storms, so I'm anxious to see it. So you get to go back to your Sunday fun day.
Sunday.
I was gonna exclude the Sunday part.
Really interesting.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
hitting high though.
Yeah, that's true.
But it's the best looking velocity couplet I've seen in the last year.
Yeah, that Fort Polk's not nearly as impressive.
Oh, it's not. Oh, okay.
There's still rotation in there, but it's much broader.
Yeah, so that's what it is.
There's a better-
Reports hitting mid levels of the storm.
On Nicole, they ordered pizza,
Wow.
so you're off your P90X for the evening.
You do a P90X?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Jeff, what do you think? I can't do it?
No.
Because I can't.
I couldn't
I've
do it.
been
I
trying.
couldn't kill me.
Dude,
Taylor
Just-
started it up, so I'm like, all right, if you're doing it, then I'm doing it. So we're putting our X's through the days.
every time I did it, threw up
Really?
every single time.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Can't do the push-ups that well.
I can't do it. We did the calisthenics one day. I was like, oh my god. Like 2 minutes in, I was like, I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
I've been sore. Been walking around funny.
Like, it's not even. I mean, it's not even like. I just feel like it's outrageous.
Yeah.
Like you can't just walk up to P90X and just be like, "Hey, I got you."
What do we got radar wise?
Oh,
Just give the people on the blog a little update.
yeah, we're really starting to lose a lot of our. We got a new fancy monitor.
You know what I noticed?
What?
In that camera, the monitor's reversed. So
Oh.
everything is backwards.
This one?
That shows up on screen.
This one?
Well, when you do it through the
Oh,
camera,
yeah.
what gets broadcast is backwards.
You really need to fix it. All right, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning too, until 8:45.
So where?
We're at Natchitoches, the same little area right here.
Okay, so to kind of catch y'all up on what's happening here, there's a broad look at all of our storms that we have going on right now. And really, the storms have lost their organization. They were oriented on the north-south line, and that's when they were at their peak, I feel like. This storm down here, the very southern tip of Natchitoches Parish, which is getting out of our viewing area, moving off to the east at about 35. A little bit of rotation in there, but it's actually outside of the Arctic, so we'll watch it and keep it up there, but not anything too alarming here. Another little storm coming in. Probably going to miss Natchitoches to the north there as it tracks off to the east about 35. And then otherwise, just a couple little pop-up showers, looks like. As far as warnings go, take a look at that. And you can see we still have this storm that's warned from Sabine Parish and the Natchitoches Parish, and the Natchitoches Parish right on out of the Arctic as it tracks out. Other than that, though, everything pretty much south of the I-20 corridor, or north of the I-20 corridor, rather, is free of any warnings. So we're starting to improve a lot here. There was a headache for a few minutes there with some of those tornado warnings, but I think we're starting to improve just a little bit. Take a look at some of the hail trackers here, and you can still see. That's probably why they've got those severe thunderstorm warnings out there, because it's still producing big hail. We've been seeing lots of pictures of big hail and lots of pictures of beautiful storm structures and all that good stuff. So if you have any cool pictures, please do send it in to us. Send it KSLA.com, or you can hit us up on Facebook. Post it on our Facebook page. We're looking at that as well. So far, the most impressive hail report that I've seen has been baseball-sized hail. My goodness, just insane. And so some of the hail that's coming out of this storm right now, just southwest of Montgomery and South Provençal. I'm gonna try to get this right dead center here. Almost 3-inch hail. That's pretty big. That's pretty ridiculous. Now that's just a radar estimate, so that's. Let's see. But again, we'll put this into motion for you real quick. And you can see where the storms oriented themselves on the north-south line. And that's when they became most severe. And then they fizzled out. And now we're just dealing with just 1 or 2 severe warned thunderstorms right now. And they are almost out of the Arctic altogether. Just let us know if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Look at that James Thurman guy.
What's that? Who?
Scroll down, see?
Can never win.
I told him that the warning was done. I already answered it. Any questions?
Let me just check.
Man, I must have started clenching my teeth, man.
That's-
It hurts so bad. Now my teeth and my jaws hurt.
Oh, you're falling apart.
I'm getting old. There's no two ways about it.
If anyone has any questions, make sure you tip them out to us. We'll answer them. Right now, still a severe thunderstorm warning for South Natchitoches Parish. That goes until 8:45.
Yeah, really the threat is, looks like it's winding down. We still have these strong storms in Natchitoches Parish, and that is about it. May have some other spotty showers or thunder showers still track through this evening, but unlikely that those are going to be anywhere close to the intensity of what we've already had move through. There's a cold front which will sweep through throughout the evening hours, and that will totally shut down rain chances by overnight tonight. Actually looks like a couple of nice days tomorrow and Tuesday. Low humidity. Temperatures will be a little cooler, but still should be pretty comfortable.
Let's see.
Yeah, here's your 2 points. I think.
Oops, sorry. Let's go back there.
Didn't really analyze the data, but
Oh, no,
maybe a little dry line.
There's something crazy going on right there. I think that's a little polar vortex. Yeah, the dry line is still probably
Still back there.
back there. The cold front was forecast to overtake the dry line. So it probably did. Let's look at those temperatures. Still not extremely cool. So the only other thing that I can think to look at is going to be a wind shift here. Oh yeah, there we go. So we do have west winds
Oh, yeah.
out of Texarkana, northwest winds in Marshall, west and northwest in Nacogdoches. So we're still out of the south of Shreveport and Natchitoches, Palm and Hemp Hill. So the front is probably that's a warm front. No, that's a cold front. So the front is probably somewhere in this area, somewhere around.
And looking at the winds here too, this is one of the reasons why the tornado threat wasn't particularly high. Out ahead of the storms, winds have been blowing kind of from the south-southwest to southwest. And for us to have had a more significant threat for these storms to produce tornadoes, the winds would have needed to have been more out of the southeast ahead of these storms. So that's why, we weren't real concerned that we were going to have a significant tornado threat out of these. Knew the storms were going to rotate. As I talked about in the on-air coverage, these rotating storms, they produce very large hail, and that's what we got. But just because a storm is rotating doesn't mean that it's going to produce a tornado, because a lot of our severe storms rotate here in the Arctic. But, we don't get tornadoes all the time out of them. So you have to have, in the lower part of the atmosphere, you have to have the right ingredients in order to take that spin that's going on in the storm and bring it down to the ground. And we just didn't have those necessary ingredients in the lower part of the atmosphere for that to happen. So that's why, even though we've had some tornado warnings, it does not appear that anything has actually spun up out of those and touched down to the ground.
And I think we could probably thank those thunderstorms that came through late last night for helping us out a little bit today.
Yeah,
for sure. That poor Nicole had to deal with last night. Why is there still a tornado watch for the area if no more rain is located in the radar since? Yeah. So they issue these tornado watches for a very long, extended period of time because the conditions are right for tornadoes to happen. So the Storm Prediction Center are the ones who issue those,
and the National Weather Service can trim them away, and we'll likely see some of that taking place pretty soon here. I'd have to imagine. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. And so the severe thunderstorm watch expires in about 3 minutes as it is, and the tornado watch, I'm sure, will be starting to see it be cut back as the front continues to clear the Arklatex. So the reason that we're not, this isn't the typical trend that we normally see here in the Arklatex. What we're used to seeing in the Arklatex is a big, huge line of storms that comes through, and everybody sees rain and everybody sees severe weather. And that's not really what happened here today. What happened here today is more, I guess, common out to the west. We see a lot. This is like literally the real deal, classic supercell thunderstorms, discrete supercell thunderstorms. That the reason that they were able to get so strong is because they weren't competing with each other. They had some space in between each other, and they were sucking in all the energy around them. And they weren't competing with a line of thunderstorms like we normally see. So this was pretty cool in the sense that this was scattered thunderstorms, but the ones who saw them, oh yeah, they're wishing that they were the people who didn't see them. That's for sure, because they were putting out some really, really big hail. So, but again, to kind of reiterate, I would imagine that we'll start to see some of these watches be trimmed away fairly soon. Sabine Parish in the clear for now with more storms developing. Mom of two, to answer your question, I do believe that the weather is going to start to improve from here on out. Just looking back at Sabine Parish and Manny, still seeing a little light rain. South of Pleasant Hill, still seeing a little light rain. And there's a little storm, looked like it popped up right over the Toledo Bend country. But nothing big, nothing big to worry about, just small. Stormtracker 12, Clay. Hey, what's going on? Oh, I'm just trying to stay busy tonight. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Nope, we're done. Yep. Yep, you sure can. Well, I certainly appreciate it. Oh, well, thank you so much. Yeah, you're right about that. Oh, no. Uh-huh. Okay. Good stuff. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it. You too. We're done. All right, bye. Y'all are awesome. Thanks so much. Yes, thank you. We appreciate it. Oh, why does this person keep calling? Stormtracker 12 is Clay. We're done. I have no idea. That's up to the National Weather Service. Not that I know of.
What were they asking about?
Oh, the same questions they always ask. Just so y'all know, I don't mind answering the phone for anybody, but when people call you 14 times a day and ask you the same question every time, you get tired of answering the same questions. But I love y'all. Y'all ask any question y'all want. Starting to pack up like you're trying to get out of here or something, man. What you trying to just
That's a good
convene
sign.
on out of here?
Right.
Man? What you doing?
The That's a good sign that I'm thinking about leaving. So.
So just a real quick update too here on the blog. The severe thunderstorm warning in northern Natchitoches Parish and northeastern Sabine Parish have been canceled. So that's good. So we're down to just one little area of Natchitoches Parish that has a severe thunderstorm warning, and then we'll be void of any severe thunderstorm warnings if they don't issue any more, which it doesn't look like they will. Still a tough little storm going on. This is Columbia County, and just over Magnolia, just south of Magnolia, between Magnolia and Emerson. Looks like it's heading off to the east here as well. Let's see. Yeah, heading to the east, probably at the same pace as every other one, which has been between about 30 and 40 miles an hour. So today I had to customize a crawl for golf. So I just put the bug in the top left-hand corner and the crawl at the bottom of the screen. Is what I ended up doing.
Yeah, I need to make some changes, but I'm still slowly learning how to use this because it's not intuitive.
No.
I don't understand why I just can't click and drag things and put them where I want them on the screen.
You gotta
Why
click
you
the
have
little.
to find it over wherever you find it, and then you have to adjust the little dial to
Yeah.
move it.
You gotta scroll everything. Yeah, I know it.
Love these pictures. Get Ash down. Get the thunderstorm.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that?
Oh.
Tornado watch. No, I'm just kidding. The severe thunderstorm watch has expired. They continued the tornado watch for now for everybody that was in it still. So until 1 a.m.
Yeah, they need to. Of course, that's kind of automated. We're in communication with the National Weather Service, and some of the stuff is automated. Even though they're not canceling parts of the tornado watch, really the threat for severe weather, it's open. It's, with the exception of the one storm in an extreme southern Natchitoches Parish, which we still have a warning on. And there is another storm moving right through Natchitoches right now, although it's not severe, but may still have some small hail with it as it tracks through. But really, once these are out of Natchitoches Parish, that's it. We're done.
So that's what I was playing. Yeah.
And expired. That one that's moving right through Natchitoches.
I don't think there's any in Union County Arkansas, actually. Yeah, that's it.
And just that little corner left.
Huh? And that was for earlier in the day, not for now. All right. It's decreased. I don't issue Torcon indexes. I don't know how that stuff works. Yeah. Not.
That's right.
Right, exactly. All right, well, thank you so much. Nope, it's me tonight. No, just me. That's right. Yes, he's still here. I gotta go now.
What were they asking?
It's have y'all talked to the person from Union County?
I don't know if I haven't.
Have you?
Either one of you? Union County?
Oh,
We don't cover the Union County.
we don't cover Union County, but this person, and I can't tell if it's a man or a woman, to be honest with you. But they call all the time, and they're actually one of the most difficult people to get off the phone. Yeah, it's always just one more question. That's the famous line. Just one more question. All right, I'm going to ask. Is that how you spell cancellation? That doesn't look right. I'm just asking if we'll see.
You're a meteorologist, not an English major.
That's right.
Don't worry about it.
See some of the or watch the trends. So the balloon today, they sailed a balloon at
Noon?
1 o'clock, 19Z. Well, I guess that's noon now, isn't it?
18Z.
18Z.
Yeah, 1 o'clock.
And they said, that dust don't be a tornado. Okay, area focus. But it only got up to 400 millibars. And I was like, what? But apparently they did that on purpose so they could get a quick analysis. And I was like, oh. So I texted Aaron Stevens, and he said the balloon actually went to 7 millibars. I guess that's good. But they cut it off at 400 millibars. All right. So Natchitoches, you guys are probably getting pummeled a little. Just got pummeled a little bit by some big rain, maybe a little hail. Let me see. Yeah, probably some hail too. I mean, man, it swept right over you guys. But no warning in effect for that storm, so that's good. Just the southern part of the parish. As a matter of fact, I'd say we got about another probably 5 or 10 minutes and we're done with that area. Stormtracker 12's Clay. Oh, Tenor Hall's in the clear. Yep. You're welcome.
Okay.
Oh man, I don't know. Not until the chief says you can leave. Okay. Well, I appreciate you coming and helping.
Oh, sure.
It was a lifesaver because I don't know if I'd have been able to juggle all this one. Stormtracker 12's Clay. Yes. Yeah, you're done. Nothing's coming. No weather at all. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Hey, not a problem. Oh, well, I appreciate it. You too. You too. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Right. We like nice. You can just sign me up.
Okay.
Sure you don't want to stay for pizza, dude? Pizza. Sure you don't want to stay for the special 10:30 show?
No. I'll bet you out. So yeah.
Tornado warnings to our south.
What we do? Yeah, quick little pop of excitement. Now back to the
All right. Now back to
daily grind.
my regularly scheduled Sunday.
Oh man.
Good job.
I hope so. I was scared when I just saw you pop in. I was like, oh no.
Yeah, I mean, I just once they put out one warning, I figured there would be more.
Yeah, that was a good call. So, yeah, I appreciate y'all. Y'all saved my behind today. Otherwise, I'd have been still having a headache.
Still been on air.
It's hard to catch up with things too.
I
They
was
just come in fast.
I was trying to stay up on the warning, the severe thunderstorm warnings as they were coming in.
Mhm.
And then once the tornado warning came in, I was like, you know, it's all my attention's there.
Yeah.
So, I mean, that couplet was nice for probably about 3 scans. And that was about it. After that, I was like, eh.
Probably
So,
in general, this is what we'll do. Like at least the 2 of you here.
okay.
Because I mean, just doing social media is like one person.
Yeah.
There's no way to keep up with it.
Yeah. Are we all gonna have nightmares about that tonight?
Right.
Another one for Natchitoches. Till 9:15.
It's probably for that
The same one.
same one.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Just to the north.
Oh no,
They did
that's
put a
up there.
tornado.
Oh, there's the tornado
Yeah, they
warning
put the tornado there.
right over Alexandria.
Let's see. I think there was something down here.
all right. Well, I will.
Oh, it's a spinner. It's like a classic spinner.
I'll monitor.
All right.
Probably won't.
You're not gonna monitor.
There's
You're
nothing
not
like
gonna
that.
monitor. You're gonna go home, crack open a can of soup, and veg out on your soup.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I'll dedicate my second slice of pizza to you.
Okay.
What you want? You want Supreme or you want
Supreme.
Supreme?
Thanks.
All right. Well, then that's what it shall be.
We'll have fun.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Maybe show some of the pictures
Yeah.
on Facebook.
Yeah.
That way it encourages people to do that in the future.
Absolutely.
Uh,
What? I know you showed me this one time before on how to load them into the thing. Not that social. How to load them into here.
yeah, but that's only if they've updated, whatever it's called.
Yeah, for that one graphic, the Polaroid graphic,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can't do that unless they load them in.
yeah, unless they've updated sell-through list.
Okay.
Otherwise, the most recent stuff won't be there. So otherwise, what you have to do is just find them on Facebook and save them.
Yeah.
Bring them in, in a graphic,
Okay.
like one of those viewer photo graphics.
Yeah.
You actually have to save it from Facebook to.
Yeah. I'll probably I'll use the little cell phone thing. Hey man, what's that? Yeah. What? Yes, indeed. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, we were actually just talking about putting a little graphic together in the weather center. So yeah. So. Yeah. See it, send it.
So you follow me too.
Yeah, I'll probably show a bunch of pictures of Hale and maybe like a few pictures of the.
The upgraded GFS still isn't as good as the Euro. And I think the Euro is about ready to be upgraded.
Oh, really?
And the butt by money.
Okay.
So GFS.
Okay. Yeah, I would say 3:30 is fine, and I can just use that extra time because I'm going to have probably hardly anything to track at 10. So I say you can either take 30 of it back, or you can leave it the same, and I'll just use that to show the pictures. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, and what I'll do is I'll just, like I said, I'll just, I'll just show a couple pictures during main weather. Yeah, just some of the various pictures. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Okay. All right, we'll do, man. Thanks, Mike. Okay. Pizza's here.
I'm going.
Yeah, Claire, you all right?
Tornado possible.
That's Grant and LaSalle.
Yeah. Can we go ahead and take the vlog down, or you want to leave it up for a few minutes?
I'll leave it up for a few minutes. Just till everything's.
Yeah.
I'll
I'm
wait
good.
here until. Okay, are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna run and grab pizza and water and come right back. So, I'll be right back.
Nicole, well, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Make sure you note the time.
No, I came in on my own. You didn't ask me to, so this is all on me. Came in for these,
Yeah.
really.
Okay, anybody on the blog? Just to kind of give you a quick update here. This will probably be the last update as well, as we'll probably take the blog down here in the next couple of minutes. We did talk with the National Weather Service here on their chat, and they're going to let the watch ride for a little while longer. They said they're going to look at it in about an hour or so. So the watch may go for about another hour or so, and then they're talking about at least considering letting it drop. So we'll continue to keep you updated, of course, but I do think that the severe weather threat has diminished enough. Just kind of give you another quick update. Here is the Architects. And you can see that we still do have just a couple little showers here. One just northeast of Magnolia in Columbia County. This is just northwest of Village, Arkansas. Columbia Road 61 is what that says. Columbia Road 61. A little brief down toward there. And then just zoom out a little bit more. Then we have to go all the way down to Wynn Parish and even back towards Natchitoches Parish before we find any more storm activity. And this is generally moving off to the east again at about 35 miles per hour. So you can see that there as it continues to push pretty much out of the area here. National Weather Service says that they continued with severe thunderstorm warning for Grant, Natchitoches, and Wynn Parish until 9:15. And again, that's this storm that we have here in the monitor for you right here as it tracks off to the east at about 35 miles per hour. So Colfax, you guys are getting a lot of heavy rain out there right now, lots of lightning and thunder, which is in Grant Parish, back towards Natchitoches Parish and Wynn Parish, which is a little bit closer to home for us. It's pretty much out of here. As a matter of fact, it's traveling right along I-49, and that's pretty much it for Natchitoches Parish. It looks like there's a little storm heading to the north here that may clash with these others. We'll see how that goes. And then back into Winfield. Again, for Winfield, things starting to calm down quite a bit as well. Hey, man.
Hey.
So, cool. What up?
You want to come see video?
Oh yeah. Let me just get this going here. So we're gonna go ahead and shut this down. Thank you so much. Let me see if there's any last minute questions. And doesn't look like it. So, I hope y'all have a great evening. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe.